how to use fill in, fill out, and fill up correctly. Have you experienced being confused on which right terms to use? Let's take a look at these 3 samples and tell me in which example you can use fill in, fill out, and fill up. These are our topics for today. I hope that at the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to use these phrasal verbs.
Hi, welcome to For My Kids. 4. Number 4. Yeah. Number 4.
Now let's start with the definition of fill. Fill is a verb. It means to put somebody or something into a space, situation, or container so that it is completely or almost completely full. On the other hand, in, out, up are what we call prepositions. If you put them together, like fill in, fill out, fill up, they become phrasal verbs. Alright, let's begin with our first phrasal verb. Fill in. This means to provide information or details by writing something in a blank space on a test, form, etc. Which of the 2 below has blank spaces? Which one needs some info or details? Is it A or B? The correct answer is letter A. At this point, you have to use fill in. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Here is another way of using fill in. In this case, it means to make something full. Like this example, there are holes on the road. The contractors filled it in to avoid accidents. One more way of using fill in is when you temporarily replace someone if they can't do their job. Like in this example, Amanda is not feeling well today. Could you please fill in for her? One last way is like this. Fill somebody in on something. This means to tell someone missing information. An example is, "Oh, Amanda, you're back. Let me fill you in on what you missed." Okay, now let's talk about fill out. This phrasal verb means to complete a form or official document. There are spaces provided for you to write the answers. So if you see these kinds of forms, are you going to say fill out or fill up? If you answered fill out, then you are definitely right. Please fill out the form as fast as you can. Let's continue with the second meaning of fill out, which is to become larger or thicker. I'll show you an example. Wow, James, you've really filled out. Here is the last one. Fill up. To make something full. Here are my examples. Number 1, I filled up the glass with lemon juice. Number 2, she filled up the glass with cold water. Number 3, I cooked a lot of food. Fill yourself up. Do you understand now how to use fill in, fill out, and fill up correctly? Please answer this short quiz. Complete the sentences by using fill in, fill out, and fill up correctly. Number 1, I need to blank the box with lots of toys. The answer is fill up. Number 2, to answer the test, you have to blank the missing words. Our answer is fill in. Number 3, before you start the session, you need to blank the registration form. Did you answer fill out? Then you are correct. Number 4. It's always a good idea to blank the fuel tank when you travel long distance. Your answer must be fill up. Number 5. Please blank this document so that I can submit it to the office. The right phrasal verb is fill out.
Thank you for watching our video.